and good evening and welcome to Byju's 9th and 10th channel of Byju's. I am your teacher Ankita everyone and welcome to the class. Hello everyone. Good evening everyone. Good evening. How are you all? Yes, good evening Aditya, Diamond Creation, Anand, Hardik. Good evening everyone. Good evening. How are you all? Radhe Radhe. Good evening everyone. Good evening. So good to see that all of you are here. It's a favorite chapter. Hi Mannat. Hi Nityashri. Hi Amit. Hi Anand. Hi Korean boy. Good evening everyone. A lot of new faces today. A lot of new students in the class. Hi Aniket. Hi Aditya. I'm good. Thank you for asking. Hi Ashwini. Hi Aroma. Hi Atul. Hi Hardik. Hi MLB Dreamer. Sandhya, Atul, Diamond Simran, Vidisha, Khushi. Hello everyone. So I hope that I'm clearly visible and audible to each one of you. And I welcome you in today's class. If you're new here, it's Byju's 9th and 10th channel. And in today's class, we will be discussing about 20 very important previous year question paper from the chapter How Do Organisms Reproduce? Good evening Abhinav, good evening Khushi, good evening Sanya. Yes. So I hope that all of you are ready. Right, I hope that all of you are ready for today's session. Yes or no? Hello. Hello intelligent boy. Yes, hi Vinita, hi Pankhudi, good evening everyone. Okay. So we'll start our session. Yes, we'll start our session everyone. Please do make sure to hit the like button. Yes, ma'am, we will do all the questions. Yes. So basically we have the previous year question paper. Now we have made sure to have the questions from all the topics, right? So the team really works really very hard and pick up the questions from the previous year question paper from CBSE, right, of the board examination, and they have picked up the question covering majority of the topics that we have in this particular chapter. Yes, Nityashri, we will be having the heredity chapter also, don't worry, right? We will be having it. We are going in order. So we're done with life process, we're done with control and coordination. Now we have this how do organisms reproduce, and then of course we have the heredity. At the end we will have the our environment. Intelligent boy, just give me a minute. I will answer your question. And Hardik, you're asking about the question for the chapter life process. We did it already. Yes, that's good, Abhinav. Yes. Hi, Aparna. Hi, Navneet. So for life process and control and coordination, we have already discussed the previous year question paper. Okay. Dhanashri, we don't have Menti today. Right? It's not the Menti. Okay everyone, so let's get started. Are you ready everyone? Tell me, are you ready for the class? Yes? I hope that all of you are ready. Everyone, please make sure you have your pencil and your notebook and pen so that you can note down all the important points that we will be discussing in today's class. It's a very very interesting session. Yes? Hi Pranjal. Yes Mannat, we already did the sample paper. How was your Viva? Yes. Manat, I would request you not to spam. Right? I would request Manat not to spam. Right? Please make sure you're not spamming everyone. Yes. Okay. Hello everyone. Good evening. Good evening. I can see so many of you are here everyone, but the likes are really very less. Everyone hit the like button. So at least 50 of you are here, so we should have 50 likes, right? In the beginning only. Yes. Very good. Achaita, very good. We have only the, objective questions. We have 2 or 3 MCQs, but majorly we are focusing on the subjective. Sorry, not the objective, but the subjective questions. Yes, in the first week of January, we have the Menti Wars, where we'll have basically the objective questions. So get ready, everyone. Set target. 50 is a target. Everyone will start only at 50. Till the time all of you are joining, and let's move ahead with this, right? So everyone, you know that currently we are having 1000 PYQ series running right in 50 days. We will be completing 1000 previous year question paper. So I hope that all of you are following us, and I hope that you have subscribed to the channel. If you're new here, please do take a moment and hit the subscribe button, because we are doing a lot for your board examination. And in the last month of, basically last week of December, everyone, please make sure to watch all the sessions. We are having marathon for your pre-boards. Okay, and the first week of January also. So we have planned amazing sessions for you. Please make sure you're there with us. Then of course we have this special English course. I hope that all of you have checked it out. If haven't, you can definitely try it out. Right? It's a paid course, and of course a link of this course in the description box. Yes. Okay everyone, how's the Josh? How's the Josh? Yes, Sharwari, sorry, after meeting after a long time. Yes, Neha. RS 10th grader, hello. Yes. Quick thumbs up everyone. Okay, all the best. Pranjal saying hi, Khushi, Suraj everyone. Meroz, Nidhi, hi. Very good. Hi, Josh is really very high. Okay, so let's get started. I hope that आप सब ने वीडियो के लिए लाइक बटन हिट कर दिया है. हाय सोनिका. Yes, 70% only. अरे क्यों 70% क्यों? जल्दी से everyone. I know कि I'll be like हाँ मैं आप बोलोगे, but we need थोड़ा जोश हाई चाहिए. Yes, hi भावेश, welcome everyone. We'll start. We just need few more likes. जल्दी से जिन्होंने जो सेशन में आ गए हैं और जिन्होंने अभी तक लाइक बटन नहीं शेयर मतलब हिट बटन लाइक का बटन अभी हिट नहीं किया, आप जल्दी से लाइक करो. Yes, okay. Very good everyone. So let's start, right? The texture. I don't know your name, but I'm sure you are a regular student. I've seen you. Nitya Shri, Pavan. Yes, okay. Nidhi, no, you're right on time. You're just starting. Tomorrow is your exam. All the best. Chaliye. Harika, I will explain you a life process ka part hai, but we'll do this in the end. Okay, everyone. So now when we talk about this chapter, how do organisms reproduce? How many of you think that it's really very important? Yes? Tell me everyone. This chapter is very important, right, from the exam point of view. This chapter will actually help you to get 5 marks in 5 marks question for sure. Usually we have the question from this or from life process, and they always give you a choice of sometimes from the heredity also. So please make sure you pay attention, right? We will be discussing about all the important topics. We will be discussing how we can write the answers in the examination, and of course how you can actually manage your time. So this is very important. You have my blessings everyone. Chaliye. So here we have a very first question. Let's look over here. Okay. Anam. Okay, we don't have the mentee. Let's just focus everyone. Here's the first question. So it came in the CBSE 2014 paper. You have my blessings. Okay. Yes, you can have your study material notes with you. Okay. When you study a slide showing different stages of budding in yeast, you observe the following stage. Everyone, very easy question. Read the question. Intelligent boy, I'll answer your question in a bit. Can you answer this question? Can we have the polls? I think just a 4 options. Everywhere you can write the answer like this only. Right? So we have these options that a bud may get separated from the parent body and develop into a new individual. A body of a bud develops and give rise to another baby bud. A bud comes out in any direction from the body of the parent cell. Thus they form a colony. So what will be the correct order, everyone? Basically we have to find the correct order, and I can see the answers. Very good everyone. And the correct answer to this question is option number B. So we know that in the asexual reproduction, especially when we're talking about budding in yeast, we know that the parent cell, right? First, of course, the parent cell, we will see that there's a growth of a bud. And of course, we will see the nuclear division. Nucleus will also divide. Then, of course, this bud will grow from any point, right? And slowly it will get mature. As it gets matures, right, what will happen? We'll see the formation of a chain, and eventually it will be detaching from the parent's body, and we have a new individual. Clear? So the correct answer to this particular question is 3214. Yes. Very good, everyone. So I hope that this is clear. Chaliye, it's a Kaju Katli question for you, right? So I'll make Kaju Katli for you. Okay, Kaju Katli. Yes, Pawan, Aarti, Gauransh, Techo Gamer, yes. Okay. Badhiya. Chalo everyone, hello Vinay. Yes, let's focus in the class. Okay. Have a Kaju Katli from my side. Yes, Shrishti, Ashwini. Let's see question number 2 again, which is based on, right, which is based on the budding in East only. So quickly answer everyone. We have to label the correct labeling over here, right? We have to label this and this, right? What is happening over here? What do you think? Budding in the East, right? What is this? This is a parent cell or this is a parent cell? Yes. Very good, very good. Yes, very good everyone. So what we have over here? So we have the, parent East, we have growth of the bud, and of course we will see the maturation happening. Yes, so the parent is on the, yes, very good. The bigger one is the parent cell or the mother cell, and of course the smaller one is the daughter cell. It was a easy peasy, right? So laddu khao chalo, let's have the laddu also. Bundi ki laddu, right? So the one thing that we have to remember in the East is that the smaller one is the daughter cell, which is formed very newly, and of course over here we have the mother cell. Yes, absolutely correct. ठीक है, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल ओके, बेसन के लड्डू हैं. Yes, right everyone, are we clear with this? So we are clear with what happens in the budding. Budding can be seen in the East, and of course we can see budding happening in the hydra also. Okay, are we clear with this? Good everyone. So we're done with 2 questions. I hope that energy is really very high. Very good everyone. See, I know that these PYQ session thoda sa, they're a little bit longer, right? And you feel that, it's so much. But everyone, please trust me. I'm telling you, you just give me this time, right? Let's say focus, and I'm telling you by the end of this session, you will be the master of this particular chapter. You trust your teacher, hai na? Right? You trust your teacher. I trust you. क्या I know that all our बच्चा who are there in the class एकदम सीरियस होकर पढ़ाई करेंगे. तो मुझे भी आपसे बस वही है, आपसे बस थोड़ी सी उम्मीद है कि आप क्लास में सीरियस रहेंगे, राइट? क्लास के एंड तक आप बोलोगे मैम ये चैप्टर बहुत इजी है. ओके? यस. Question number 3 everyone. Question number 3 on your screen. We have to write a proper sequence, right? We have to write a sequence of the process going on a different organs of the reproductive system of a female, starting from the time of the egg production to the childbirth. Are you clear with this question? Yes? This question is very easy. Now, it's a lengthy question, but the question is very easy. The question is asking us to write the sequence of the event or the process that happens in the female reproductive system from the egg production till the childbirth. Okay? It's a lengthy question. It's a 5 marks question, right? We understand that it's a 5 marks question. Now let's understand and let's see how you will be writing it. Okay? Now this will be helping us to revise the female reproductive system. So all of you, if you're new here and if you have any doubts in the female reproductive system, focus now. Very good. So we know that eggs are produced in the ovaries. So first point will start from here, that inside the ovaries we'll see the egg production. Eggs will be produced in the ovaries. Ovaries will release the egg in the fallopian tube. Yes or no? Yes. So ovaries will release the egg and the fallopian tube will receive it. Fallopian tube is also called as oviduct. Yes or no everyone? Yes. Very, very good. I can see the answers already. Yes, Manat, I'll tell you. So in the fallopian tube, what process will be happening? Can you tell me what process happens in the oviduct? Diamond creation is over here. Fallopian tube is also called as oviduct. Yes, Techo Gamer, I forgot your name. Yes, Anam. Very good. Fertilization process takes place in the fallopian tube or the oviduct. Absolutely correct, everyone. So we will write about that also. That in the fallopian tube we'll see the fertilization process happening. Once the fertilization is done, we know that the egg will move into the uterus. And what will happen in the uterus? We'll see the implantation. Everyone, you can note this down, or if you have an understanding, just recall things. Yes, very good. See over here, what we'll see that implantation will happen in the uterus. Yes or no? Very good, Aditya. In the uterus only, we will see the formation of placenta, right? That will be helping in the growth of the developing fetus. Okay, can you tell me what is the function of placenta? Come on, what is the function of placenta? Yes, I know, it's very easy, right? Placenta is something that actually provides the nutrition, right? And it actually helping carrying out the oxygen and of course the waste material from the mother to the baby and from mother to the baby, right? Both the direction the exchange is happening. Very good. So placenta is there in the uterus, right? As it develops only after the pregnancy. It will be providing the nutrition and it will be helping in the exchange of gases. Then of course, we know that the other part we have was the cervix and the vagina. Now vagina is called also as a birth canal because from vagina only the baby will be delivered out of the mother's womb. Okay. Cervix over here is a very important part through which the sperms will be entering. So these sperms will be entering into the vagina, they will travel, and then to enter into the uterus they have to cross the cervix. Clear? So from the vagina to the cervix, then to the fallopian tube, the fertilization will happen. Clear? Everyone, are we clear? Badhiya hai. Very good, Bhavish. Yes, Khushi. Yes, very good mathematical. I just saw that your name. Okay, Devanshi. Pinky, thank you. Yes, clear, right, everyone? So now, I hope now you know that how to frame the answer. Hello. Yes, yes. Anam, it's a disc-like structure. Yes, placenta. Hello, Ashwarya. Hello, Abdul. Hi, Pratyush. Hi, Sophia. Okay. Here, everyone. Are we clear? Clear. Mathematical cafe. So, everyone take a screenshot. Okay, Pranavi. Here we go. Okay, you have a doubt? The zygote formation will only it will imply in yes, Nitya. Yes. Yes, Raj, the function of the placenta is that it provides the nutrition and help in the exchange of the gases from mother to baby and baby to mother. Okay? Yes, so it will be actually providing a nutrition to the developing fetus. Okay, everyone, see? Take a screenshot, everyone. Right? So this is how you can write the answer. First point is about the egg. Second point, from where it is entering, the sperms will be entering into the vagina and then to the cervix. Then they'll be traveling into the fallopian tube. Fertilization will occur. After the fertilization, the zygote will divide and will form the embryo, and embryo will get implanted into the uterus, and of course it will develop. After the implantation, it will develop and we call it as a fetus. And after that, we'll have a disc-like structure called as placenta. You'll write about the placenta. Then, of course, after the 9 months period, we'll see the delivery of the baby. Are we clear, everyone? Clear? Yes. Okay. So, all of these points are important. Please do take a screenshot. I've just moved, so I'm not covering any text. You can take the screenshot. Okay. Everyone. Clear. Yes. Yes, Anjum, it was a revision. Okay? Very good. समझ में आया ना सबको? Yes, take a screenshot, everyone, जिन्होंने screenshot नहीं लिया था. Okay, very good. चलिए. Everyone, here we have question number 4. ठीक है? Question number 4. All of you, I hope that you are with me. Yes. Reproduction is one of the most important characteristics of living being. Give 3 examples to support this particular statement. Yes, Kaya, I will explain you double fertilization, but not now. Okay. Varashistha. So, the function of the cervix is that actually it allows these sperms to enter from vagina to the uterus. Yes. Okay, everyone, tell this answer. Very good, Sandhya. Very good. Aroma. Yes. Hello, Kanak. Evolution may help karta. Yes, absolutely correct, Sandhya. Sania, help in the continuation of the species. Fool Jane. Variation of species. Absolutely correct. Ashwini. Prachi. Sharvari, yes. So the important thing about this particular question is that it is asking why the reproduction is important, right? And why basically it is important for all the living organism. So how we can write this answer? We know that reproduction is important, right? First of all, reproduction actually help in providing the variation, right? Which actually help us to evolve. It helps in the evolution. See, for example, if I am not resistant towards the cold, right? If I don't have the variation in my body that I can actually stay in a hot climate, I might not able to give that gene to the further generation, right? So we need to adapt according to so that we can have the evolution. So it actually produce a variation because there's a mixing of genes happening. Then it actually help in maintaining the continuity of the species, and last and foremost important point, it actually help in preventing the extinction of the species. Clear है सबको? Yes. Okay, I'm repeating in Hindi for all of you who haven't got it. Right? Reproduction is really important. First, why it is important? क्योंकि हमारा जब reproduction होता है तो mixing of genes होती हैं, सब variation आते हैं, चेंजेस आते हैं जो एक्चुअली हेल्प करते हैं एवोल्यूशन में. सेकेंड पॉइंट, ये हमें हेल्प करता है ताकि जनरेशन कंटिन्यू रहे. थर्ड पॉइंट, इट इज रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ताकि जनरेशन पूरी खत्म ना हो जाए. आर वी क्लियर एवरीवन? दीज आर वेरी वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड पॉइंट्स, very easy straight forward points. Even if you write these 3 points, you will have the question. Okay? Yes, you can write about this. Yes, see over here. So you can write with the examples. 3 reasons to support your answer. You have given the 3 reasons. Examples नहीं, reason पूछा है. Okay. Very good everyone. See, this is how you can write. It can come for 3 marks or for 2 marks. See, if they ask you to write 2 points, just write 2 points. If they're asking for you to write 3 points, write the 3 points. Now, very important thing everyone in this particular, I think a few of you have asked that how to represent the answer. Write always in points, underline the important words. Clear? So for example, this is important, continuity of the species. So I have underlined it over here, right? Next generation, right? We can mention that it actually helps in producing next generation and increasing the population and evolution. Okay? Yes, are we clear everyone? Yes, over here, when we're writing 3 points, it's 3 marks. Clear everyone? Are we clear up to it? Nice, very good, very good. Yes, you will have Ashish on the Telegram group. You will have it. Harika, we will be discussing about vegetative propagation. Have to wait for some time. Yes. Are we clear? Clear? Aroma, I think I've missed your doubt. Please write it out again. Okay. Yes, now you tell me, this question is jalebi question or a very easy question? Yes, it's a jalebi question. DNA Khushi, full form is deoxyribonucleic acid. Clear, crystal clear. Awesome everyone. Let's see question number 5. हलवा question था, ठीक है. Next time हलवा बनाऊंगी, गाजर का हलवा. Here we go everyone. Question number 5 on your screen. It came in the year 2018. The question is, list any 2 mode of asexual reproduction in animals. Under which mode of reproduction is vegetative propagation is placed and why? We have to list 2 examples. Now those of you who have doubt in vegetative propagation, it's a question for you, so pay attention. Can we write growth of population as 1 point? Yes, you can write. Aroma general, yes, you can write. Okay, everyone, see what we have over here, right? So we know that in asexual reproduction, we know that only single parent is involved, right? We just have only single parent. Okay, we just have single parent. Now, in asexual reproduction, we will see they will be making the exact copy of themselves, right? And we'll see no variation. So these are the 3 important characteristic features of the asexual reproduction, right? Now, the question is why the vegetative propagation is placed in asexual reproduction. Can you tell me the reason for this? Why we have placed vegetative propagation in the asexual reproduction category? What do you think? Come on, what do you think about it everyone? Tell me. Why we have vegetative propagation in the asexual reproduction category? and why we study it together. I clearly said that, yes, that in asexual reproduction there are no gametes. That is one thing. In asexual reproduction we have same genetic makeup and no variation. Similarly, we know that, very good everyone, very good. Similarly, we know that in vegetative propagation, the plant will be generated from the plant's part only, like stem, root, leaves. So of course they will not be different, right? So they have a single parent, right? There will be no difference between the plant that I have generated, right? And there will be the exact copy of the parents. That's why vegetative propagation comes under the asexual reproduction. Are we clear? Yes, thumbs up everyone in the chat. It could be Bhavesh aa jayega, next time aa jayega. Everyone, are we clear? See, it's very tricky question. ये बहुत ऐसा ना वो जलेबी क्वेश्चन टाइप है, बहुत घुमा के पूछा है. Very good. Example is rose. Awesome. The next part of the question was कि advantage क्या है? What are the advantage of vegetative propagation? कि हम n number we can produce the mass through it, and it is a very easy process, right? We don't have to do the manual work over there. Yes, and we can have the large production. We can have the hybrids also from the vegetative propagation. Takes less time, uniformity, we can maintain, we can have a particular desirable characteristics in a plant and so forth. So see, if this question comes, this is how you can write in the examination. Okay, it's very easy everyone. See, first you will mention that the two modes of asexual reproduction. First part is binary fission. You can write anything. Easy is binary fission and in animal and in budding. ये दोनों animals में होती हैं. Clear? Yes. Then of course vegetative propagation. Why we are keeping it? Because it has the ability to develop the plants, to produce new plants from its part. That's why. And the advantage. So over here we have placed three examples, three advantages of it. You can add more to it. Okay? This question you should not be spending more than 3-4 minutes in writing. Okay? Chaliye, clear everyone, right? Yes. So take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Clones are the exact copy of their parents, Nityashri. And we actually make the clones in the labs basically. By the labs process. Okay. चलिए, जलेबी क्वेश्चन है, खीर भी आगे आएगी, पर खीर तो बहुत वैसी होती है ना, बढ़िया सी. चलिए, ओके एवरीवन. Okay. चलिए, so we are done with this question and we are almost half an hour into the session. I hope that all of you are enjoying the session and I hope that सबने like button hit कर दिया है. चलो, here we have question number 6. Welcome back Hardik. Yes. Why can fertilization not take place in flowers if pollination does not occur? Easy peasy everyone, ये तो बहुत easy question है. Yes, why you think that fertilization will not take place in a flower if pollination is not happening? CBSE 2018 का question है. What do you think about it? What is pollination first of all? I want you to tell me what is pollination. See, answer हमारा, it's there in the question itself. Very good. No transfer of the pollens will happen. There is no absence of pollen. Yes, there is absence of the pollen grains. Yes, because pollen will not be get processed. Yes, Simran. Stick on the yes. Very good. Yes, Sanya, Bhavin. Yes, Rahul, Dikshita. Study bestie. Fusion of male and gametes will not happen. Yeah, okay. Fusion of gametes will. Okay, very good. So I can sense that all of you have an understanding. Let's see. So we know that pollination is a process where we'll see the transfer of pollen grains right on the stigma. Right? On the stigma. And if pollination is not happening, of course fertilization will not take place. We know that for the fertilization to take place, pollen grain should land on the stigma. It will be forming the pollen tube and it will be moving inside the style and will be reaching the ovary, where of course we have the egg. right? And of course the fertilization process will take place then. If pollination is not happening, it's impossible for the fertilization, right? It will not be, the plants will not be able to produce it. Yes, very good. Not yet, Jay, not yet. We are still waiting. So it's a very easy question, everyone, and this is how you can write. Flower fertilization requires male and gamete to fuse. If pollination will not occur, no fusion of the gametes, and hence fertilization will not take place. Okay, okay. Everyone, are we clear, right? Okay, Bhavish. 2 marks question, everyone. Easy peasy, right? Are we clear up to here? Yes. Mohit, so we're talking बच्चे के pollination, for the pollination, right? Pollination is nothing but the transfer of male pollen grains on the stigma, right? Which is the female reproductive part of the flower. If pollen grain is not coming on the stigma, fertilization will not take place. Pollen grain, when it's land on the stigma, forms a pollen tube which carries the pollen grain to the ovary, where of course the fertilization process will take place. Male and female gamete will fuse. Okay? Yes, Raji, very good. Bhavin, yes. Abdul. Sufia. Okay, Sufia. Okay, everyone. Very good, everyone. Sticky part, Ashwini, is the stigma. Crystal clear. Okay. Stigma is the female part. Yes, it's the top part of it. Okay. Here we go, everyone. Let's talk more about this, right? Very important thing. That why are we practicing this, right? It's a very, giving you 1 minute break over here. Why are we practicing this? So see, this is what is important. So we can have a 4 marks question, 3 marks question, a 5 marks question, right? And of course, it's really very important. And we know that it contributes. So 12 marks can come from this. How do organism reproduce? So please make sure you're paying attention. अभी तक तो नहीं आई है डेट शीट खुशी as of now. I am in the class. I don't know अगर आ चुकी है बाहर तो मुझे पता नहीं. But there is no information as of now. Okay. Next question, everyone, on your screen. Next question on your screen. Question number 7. Based on the given diagrams. Yes. Based on the given diagrams over here, everyone, we have to label A, B, C, and D. Yes. Then we have to name the hormone that's secreted by testis and mention its role, and then we have to state the function of B and C in the process of reproduction. CBSE 2019. Again, everyone. See, we have discussed about the female reproductive system. Now we'll discuss about the male reproductive system. You only tell me the answer. Jaldi se, everyone. See, we have to label A, B, C, and D. Can you label it? I'm giving you time. Look at the diagram. Yes, look at the diagram, everyone, and then label it quickly, very quickly. It's a male reproductive system. Yes, what is A and what is B? I can see A is ureter. Okay, B. Yes, what is B? B is not the vas deferens. See clearly, very good, Ashwini. It's a gland, very good. Which gland is this? Yes, see over here, it's not the prostate gland, okay? Seminal vesicle gland, absolutely correct. These diagrams look a little bit like this, but yeah. Yes. Okay, very good, everyone. So let's see. So I think यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा confusion with the structure that they have given us, right? So we have the ureter, seminal vesicle gland, prostate gland, then we have vas deferens and urethra, right? And the question was that, what is the role of, okay, which hormone is secreted by testis? Which hormone is secreted by the testis? Yes. It is a very, very important, it's a very, very important hormone. Yes. Testosterone, absolutely correct, everyone. So testosterone is a very, very important hormone which is secreted, right, by the testis, right? And it is the one that actually controls the secondary sexual characteristics in the male and help in the production of the sperms also. Helps in the sperm production. Okay. So let us quickly revise, everyone. Right? Come on, everyone. Yes. Okay. Very good, everyone. See, I'm revising the male reproductive system. So please pay attention. Okay. So we know that testes are present outside the male body and they are present in the scrotum. Right? Why they are outside the body of the male? Because to maintain the temperature. Yes. It's a very important 2 marks question, everyone, that why testes are outside the body of the individual. And we know they are outside the body of the male so that they'll have an apt temperature for the production of sperm. Clear? Yes, to maintain the temperature, absolutely correct, to maintain the temperature. It requires actually the less temperature as compared to the body. So if the body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, it actually requires a 2 or 2.5 degree less temperature. That's why the scrotum holds the testes outside the body of the male reproductive, basically outside the body. Very good. Then we have the vas deferens that will carry the sperms that are made in the testis and will take it to the over here, right? To basically to the ejaculatory duct over here. Clear? Then we have 2 glands. I can see you have doubts with the glands. Just give me a minute. Give me a minute, right? So over here we have 2 glands, seminal vesicle and the prostate glands. Now these 2 glands are really very important. Now seminal vesicle gland, right, will provide the nutrition, fructose, so that it will provide the energy to the sperm. And prostate gland and the copper gland, right, as many of you are asking, will be adding the nutrition, will be adding basically the acidic medium, a little bit of it, so that they can survive in the female reproductive system. Are we clear? Yes, are we clear, everyone? Yes, very good. Okay, now I'm taking your doubts. I hope it's clear to each one of you. Yes. Very good, everyone. Very good, very good. I hope there are no doubts, right? Shri 10G, we'll discuss it, bache. Give me a minute, we'll discuss. Clear, right? Everyone, are we clear? Yes, are we clear? No doubts, right? Okay. So everyone, this is how you can write the answer. It's for 5 marks, covering up all the points that we have over here. Yes. Rajiv, this is how you can represent your answer. It's over here, bache. You can mention what are the parts. You can mention why the test is releasing the testosterone, right? And then, of course, you can mention the part. What is the function of the seminal vesicles and the prostate glands, right? Here I'm underlining it. Please take a screenshot, okay? I'm moving aside, everyone, take a screenshot. Yes, Khushi, please ask your doubt. Tissues are a group of cells, right, that are coming together and these tissues will form the organ and the further organ system. Clear? Very, very good. Yes. अब्दुल, ये बच्चे मुझे नहीं पता कि मैम की क्लास कब होगी. Okay. Okay. Chaliye everyone, question number 8 on your screen. Okay. Again a question from asexual reproduction, everyone. Is a super easy question. Okay, wait, I'll wait for. Yes, Khushi, please ask doubt if you have any. Yes, Nidhi, it's a gland that we have in our brain, right? It actually controls our sleep, basically helps in controlling the sleep cycle. Yes, okay. Nidhi, I've answered your question. Khushi, please ask your doubt. Anyone, if you have any doubt, we'll just wait for 1 more minute and we will move ahead. Yes, Khushi, sorry, Nidhi, I've answered your question. Yes, Sanya and Bhavin, you have seen the question. Very good. I'm not sure, Bhavish. Jyotika, I'll answer your question. Fragmentation and regeneration in a minute. Yes, very good. Double fertilization, okay. We have a question double fertilization, so we'll see now. SK, it's a little bit better now. Yes, Pratyush. So a gene, right? I will do. Okay. Basically, a gene is a small fragment of DNA. Everyone, for those of you who have some difficulties, yes, Rudraksh. See, this is DNA. This part, the small part is called as the gene, and gene will be helping us in giving us the different traits like hair color, skin color, eye color, etc. Okay, Khushi? Yes? Okay, very good. Regeneration and fragmentation we will have in this particular question, so I will answer your question. Okay. Ashwini, I'll answer that question, not now. I'll answer that when we are discussing about the DNA, okay? Yes, Rudraksh. So, name the mode of reproduction of the following organism, Ocha. Planaria reproduce by what mode? Very good. Regeneration, regeneration. I can see the regeneration answer. Hydra reproduce by budding. Very good. And Rhizopus, spore formation. Right? So, let's understand everyone. Regeneration. Now, what do you understand by regeneration? What do you understand by regeneration? That an organism, right? Over here we have, if we cut them, they will be developing from the each part. है ना? From each part, we will have the development of the individual. Clear? That is what is regeneration is. Right? This is what we call it as regeneration, right? If we cut planaria by some accident, each part, right, will develop into a whole organism. Clear? The missing part. Basically, what they'll do, basically they will grow the missing part. They have very specialized cells and they'll grow the missing part. That is called as regeneration. Okay, are we clear everyone? Regeneration is not the primary mode of reproduction in the various organism. Yes, please write your doubt. Yes, Ishita, we are discussing that. Anirudh, you have to wait for it. We'll discuss about the STDs also. Okay, very good, Gauransh. Each of the organism, each piece basically will grow into an individual. The missing part will come. It will regenerate. Okay. Rudraksh, reproduction is a process. Reproduction is a process where we'll see the parents will produce the offspring. Yes, Bhavish, got your point, but please don't spam. Don't spam, Bhavish. खुशी ये क्वेश्चन अभी नहीं करेंगे, नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में करेंगे. सो रीजनरेशन क्या है? रीजनरेशन इज अ प्रोसेस जो एक एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन का मोड है, जहां पे प्लेनेरिया में हमें दिखता है कि अगर प्लेनेरिया को अगर हम गलती से काट देते हैं बाय सम एक्सीडेंट, तो जो कटे हुए पीसेस हैं वो मिसिंग पार्ट को ग्रो कर लेंगे. आर वी क्लियर? Yes, that is called as regeneration. That's what is important for all of us. Budding we have just discussed, right? We'll see the outgrowth of a bud and slowly this bud will grow, will detach, right? Yes, it will detach and of course we'll have a new organism. Yes, Hydra I'm not sure, right? We'll see the budding happening in Hydra. Yes, if at all we have a cut, we can see the regeneration also. Okay, we can see the regeneration also. Yes, fragmentation, I will talk about it. Now what happened in fragmentation, everyone? So let's suppose this is Spirogera. It's an algae, right? What will happen? Yes, Spirogera. Yes, what happens? We'll see that each of these fragments will develop into a new individual. Clear? Clear everyone? That is fragmentation. That is fragmentation. Rudraksh, I've already told. Very good, very good. So we are clear with this, right? We are clear with the fragmentation also. Yes, fragments will develop. Asa, we can say that they will never die. Yes, MC have just explained. Very good. We can say Astha. Kind of, they keep on regenerating it. Yes. Now Rhizopus, of course we have the spore formation, we'll discuss now. Yes. Okay, let's see over here everyone. This particular question, so we have over here planaria, spore and this, right? The B part of the question is, can we develop new plant from the leaves of Bryophyllum? We know that we can, right? By the vegetative propagation, we'll be able to see the growth of a new plant from the leaf of the Bryophyllum. Yes, अमर है planaria, ऐसा बोल सकते हैं. No, Shri, we don't call it like that. No, we don't call it that. Gauransh, hypha basically spores में होता है, right? In spore formation, the part which hold the sporangium is called as the hyphae. Very good. It's by accident. Regeneration accidentally होता है, planned नहीं होता है. That's very good, SK. So here everyone, you can write the answer in this particular way. See over here, planaria we have talked about. Then we have the hydra, rhizopus. Right, take a screenshot everyone. Take a screenshot everyone. Jaldi se active बच्चों. I'm so proud of you that you all are really very active. You're answering and you're asking doubts also. That's amazing. Good to see that all of you are here. Which cell is required for regeneration? Sultana, there are specialized cells, right? Which actually help. Yes. Okay. I'm not sure, Shri. We don't call it as that. Okay. Yes. Very good. See, Sultana, you can do more research on that. As of now, we just call them as a specialized cells. Now, these cells, if you talk about the specialized name, we have different names in a different organism. Yes, we are moving to the next question. Yes. Okay, Khushi, no issues. See, everyone, 5 marks question. This is how you can write. Okay, question number 9, everyone. Yes. Super awesome. Question number 9. After question number 10, I'll give you a break. That will be a completion of 1 hour. We have to differentiate between cross-pollination and self-pollination. Mention the site and product of fertilization in a flower. Easy peasy, everyone. It's such an easy question. Right? We have to differentiate between cross-pollination and the self-pollination. And then we have to mention the site of the products of the fertilization. Then we have to draw a label diagram of pistil showing the following parts. Oh, this is a very easy question. What is the difference between a cross-pollination and self-pollination? Yes, come on everyone. Cross-pollination. In cross-pollination, different flower. First thing is different flower, right? Pollen from one to the different flower. Flower of other plant altogether. Yes? Very good. Yes. आया था sample paper में, sorry, pre-boards में. It's a very important question. Yes? So that is cross-pollination. Self-pollination में pollens same, flower same है, pollens from the same flower will get transfer, right? Self-pollination. On a same flower, the pollens will transfer from the pollen, basically from the anther to the stigma. Very good. That's the main difference between the cross-pollination and the self-pollination. Easy peasy है. ठीक है, बहुत easy question है. This is question number 9, Khushi. Okay? What or where we will have the fertilization process? Fertilization will take place in the ovary, right? And after that, what we will see the development of the fruit. Right? Ovary will develop into a fruit and ovule will develop into the seeds. Clear? Yes? Very good everyone. Okay. Next question we will draw. अच्छा, how many of you love to draw? किसकी drawing अच्छी है? Yes. Right, so this is a very easy one, everyone. You can easily draw this. So I am not good at drawing, but still, it's a very easy diagram that we have. Okay, and of course you can draw the pollen grains and like this. Okay, and of course you can draw. Okay, it's a very easy thing. Please make sure to label them properly, which is important. Labeling is really important, very, very crucial in the examination. So this is stigma, this is style, and of course the pollen grain will come over here. Pollen tube will be formed, it will moving into the style, and it will go into the ovary, and of course we'll see the fertilization process happening. It's a pistil of the flower or the carpel of the flower. There's a female reproductive part. Yes. Krishna, it's how do organisms reproduce. So here everyone, this is how you can write. Take a screenshot everyone. Yes, take a screenshot. Yes, everyone, take a screenshot of it. Very good, very good. Yes, okay. And then of course we have this easy peasy diagram, 5 marks question. Yes, it's covering hole. Yes, hole is pistil. Yes, yes. Yes, Jay. Chemotropism, yes, happened in the pollen tube. Very good, everyone. So it was a halwa question. मैं बीच में आप लोगों को मिठाई खिलाना भूल गई थी. खीर. अब खीर थोड़ी फ्लूइडी है तो प्लीज चला लेंगे काम. Everyone, kheer for you all. Very sweet question. Hello, Ronak. Yes. Okay, clear everyone? Yes. मीठा, हाँ मीठा ही हमारे पास में. हाँ, in examination you will not be able to use any colored pen. ठीक है, कोई भी कलर पेन अलाउ नहीं है. Hello, Gauransh. Yes, Ronak. Hello, Aditi. Ashwari, hello. Okay. Chaliye everyone. Question number 10. After this, I'll give you a break. Vaibhav, carpel is a female reproductive part of a flower. Yes, ambition. Can we have that? If I have a doubt, if a plant fertilized by cross pollination, why fruit does not share the characteristics of both the parents involved? Now, cross pollination mein again, see, cross pollination when we talk about different. So it could be two plants, right? It could be two plants. The plant could be unisexual also. It will not be there. See, again, it's very important. It's a very valid question that you have asked. So if the papaya flower, right, the pollen grains of papaya, if they're dropping on a plant apple flower papaya, it will not be able to. Fertilization will not happen naturally. Right? Clear? Because it will not match, and of course, the pollen tube formation will not occur. If we have to make the hybrid, we usually take the help where we are doing it in lab or by the artificial fertilization. Clear? I'm really sorry I forgot your name, but I've answered your question. Yes, question number 10, everyone. Here we go. We have to list the 3 techniques that have been developed to prevent the pregnancy. Yes, yes, ambition. Okay. Ha, please, Bhavesh, you can. Okay. We have that can prevent the pregnancy, right? Which one of the following technique is not meant for males? How does the use of these techniques have direct impact on the health and the prosperity of a family? Easy peasy question, everyone. Right? What are the contraceptive methods? Right? I'm sure you're writing about the oral pills, the surgical method, the use of the condoms, diaphragm. Yes, very good. Contraceptive methods we have. Absolutely correct. So when we talk about the different types of contraceptive methods, we know that we have different types. We have barrier methods, we have IUDs, intrauterine devices, we have hormonal methods, and we have surgical method. So in male, right, they can use a barrier method and the surgical method. Hormonal methods and the IUDs, the intrauterine device, are only meant for females. Okay? So what happens in the contraception? Basically, the contraception actually help in preventing the pregnancy, and of course, especially the barrier method can actually help in preventing the STDs. I'm sure you were asking about it in the beginning. STDs are the sexually transmitted diseases. Right? What are STDs? These are sexually transmitted diseases. Okay? And these diseases are spread if there's exchange of the body fluid between the two individuals. If there's a use of the barrier method, that can be also avoided. Clear? In hormonal method, of course, we have the oral pills that will be affecting the hormones in the female reproductive system. Progesterone hormone, it will make it difficult for the pregnancy. Copper T will release the copper ions, it will impact on the speed of the sperms, and definitely it will cause issues in the implantation. And then of course there's the surgical method where the fallopian tube is cut and tied in the female, we call it as pubectomy, and in males when the vas deferens is cut and tied, we call it as a vasectomy. Are we clear? Are we clear, everyone? Yes? Yes, very good. Clear? So this is how you can write the answer. Barrier methods where you can write the use of condoms, diaphragm, etc. Chemical methods where we have the oral pills. Surgical method mein vasectomy and the tubectomy. And which of these these all of this can actually help in controlling the unwanted pregnancy. Clear? Very good. One of the answers is a barrier method. Yes. Now, this is how everyone you can write and frame your answer. Clear hai? ठीक है, so this question is important. Ashwini, those are the pills that will be actually helping in controlling the, the hormones level in the body. Yes. Very good. Ruk jao, we will discuss, we'll have a little bit of fun, but let's focus everyone. Bhavesh, let's focus in class. Chaliye. Everyone take a screenshot, then we'll discuss further. Yes, very good everyone. Okay, I hope that everyone, all of you have hit the like button. Jaldi se. Deepu D Gaming. If a lake is contaminated with pesticide, which fish will consume the most pesticide? Large fish, whichever is a large, the fish will start consuming the small fish, right? But it goes and goes. The bigger fish will have more accumulation. Chaliye. Okay, everyone. Now let's see question number 11. Per question number 11 se pehle I'll give you a break. ठीक है? See, we are done with 1 hour, everyone. Break time. See? Break time, everyone. You can have a glass of water. Now I'll bring my artist. I have the inner artist, right? So I'm not good in drawing, but everyone have water. ठीक है, have water. चाय कॉफी के लिए तो नहीं बोलूंगी, but you can definitely have water. We'll be back in 1 minute. छोटा सा small break. Or you want more break? ठीक है, 2 minutes break, everyone. 2 minutes. Clear? So take a small break, everyone. थोड़ा सा break लो. Actually 7:56 हो रहा है. 8 o'clock पे मिलते हैं. समोसा खा लो, जिसको जो भी खाना है खा लो अभी. हाँ बिल्कुल अच्छे से खाओ समोसा. Right? 5 minutes break? Okay, fine. Biomagnification. See, biomagnification will depend upon बच्चे के how many chemicals are going. In terms of percentage, it's very difficult for us to say, but it always increases. It always increases. Okay? 5 minutes break everyone. Acha. 5 minutes break. Let me write over here. Back at 8 p.m. So we'll meet at 8 p.m. again, everyone. मैं बाजू में खड़ी हूँ, ओके? ठीक है? I'll drink water. Yes. Yes, everyone. Okay, I hope that you can hear me. Yes, I hope that you can hear me, right? Badhiya. Very good. Rajiv, what is the difference between, you're asking what is the difference between fragmentation and regeneration? So regeneration and fragmentation looks very similar, but they are very different, right? Fragmentation, it's a primary mode of reproduction, whereas regeneration is not the primary mode of reproduction. You can write the examples in each of these, and you can mention that. In one, of course, we'll see the growth of a new organism, but in the other, the organism remain the same. Only the regeneration of that particular part that will occur. Okay? Now I have pre-board, how on Friday, which most. So again, Shri, all the chapters are important, but 3 chapters you have to specially focus upon is life process, how do organism reproduce, and heredity. Okay? Yes, Bhavish, I don't know, I was reading your comment, but I have no idea. Up to you. Ma'am, how the fertilization occur during the transgender offspring? So usually they have to go for the IVF treatments, right? Where of course, either by the surrogacy, right? They will be giving up, basically, for them, it will not be a normal fertilization process, first of all, right? Depending on which gender they are, they can opt for it in surrogacy, or their adoption is the right way. Traits, Krishna, are the characteristic features that you and I have. For example, the skin color, eye color, all of these. Tubectomy, Sanya, basically tubectomy is a process which is done in the males, right? They will be cutting, tubectomy, yeah. Tubectomy is a process which happens, as a surgical method, happens in the female. They'll be cutting the fallopian tube and they'll be tying it so that the fertilization process will not take place. Okay? Yes, very good, very good. Khali ab everyone, are we back from the break, right? Surrogacy is nothing but basically it's a method where, of course, if the couple cannot reproduce, right, if the uterus is not able to hold the fetus, they will be looking for a female who can carry the fetus or the embryo in her womb. Okay, very good. Okay, everyone. Tubectomy is in female, vasectomy is in male. Allele are the alternative form of gene. For example, if I have a black eye color, the alternative form could be brown. That is the allele. It's always the alternative form of the gene. Yes. The difference between a regeneration of planarian, no. It'll be a different, right? Yes. Acha, very good, everyone. Okay, everyone, let's move ahead. Right, question number 11, everyone. Let's come back, focus. I'm not sure, Rishi, you can check out the channel. Okay, everyone. Yes. Are we ready? Come on. Everyone, are we ready? Last 10 questions, everyone. How's the Josh in the class? How's the Josh, everyone? Last 10 questions, and let's see if we can crack these questions up, because these are a little bit difficult questions. Yes, I can see fire, thumbs up, very good. And I hope that everyone have hit the like button. Badhiya. Chaliye. Hi, very good. It came in the year 2018, everyone, and the question is, write the function of the following part in the female reproductive system. Super easy question. Abhi main itna hype kara ke bahut difficult questions aayenge, but it's very easy. You have to write the function of the ovary, oviduct, and the uterus, and then you have to write the function of the placenta. I can see Mathematical Cafe is writing the answer. Very good, everyone. Ovary produce the egg. Okay. Prachi is writing ovary is the one producing egg. Then what is the function of oviduct? Gauransh, very good. Production of the female gametes. Yes, Vaibhavi. We have that smart list for social also. Very good, Ashwini. Very good, Aroma Journal. Very good, very good. So let's see, everyone. So ovary help in producing the egg. Oviduct helps in receiving the egg and in the process of fertilization. And uterus is also called as womb. It actually hold, right? It actually help in the growth of the fetus. Very good, very good. So here if we talk about, we have all of these functions, right? Side of the fertilization, release the hormone and produce the egg for the fertilization process and nourish the fertilized ovum. Rabia, yes. Oh, Rabia. One of my friend name is that. Yes. Okay. Okay, Sania, very good. Jay Engineering, yes, you're writing about the placenta. Okay. So now let's talk about the role of the placenta. We know that it actually help in the exchange of the gases and help in carrying out the nutrition and the waste material also. So here we have, okay, remember that this placenta is attached to the mother, right? And of course, over here, we have the small villi that are attached, right? And it will be taking the blood that will be helping in the exchange of the gases as well as in the exchange of the nutrition also. Not exchanging, basically giving the nutrient. The waste material from the baby will be coming out, right? And the carbon dioxide also will be coming out through the umbilical cord which is attached to the placenta. Clear everyone? Yes. So हिंदी में बताती हूँ तो प्लेसेंटा बेसिकली क्या करता है, हेल्प करता है गैसियस एक्सचेंज में, गैस के एक्सचेंज में और न्यूट्रिशन प्रोवाइड करने में फ्रॉम द मदर टू द फीटस. वेस्ट भी लेके जाता है. क्लियर? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और जो भी वेस्ट बन रहा है वो भी फीटस जो से अम्बिलिकल कॉर्ड अटैच है वो अम्बिलिकल कॉर्ड वेस्ट कैरी करेगा, प्लेसेंटा के थ्रू वापस जाएगा मदर की बॉडी में. क्लियर? यस. It's that Sharvari, it's the umbilical cord. Yes, it's the umbilical cord. This cord, right? It's umbilical cord. Very good, everyone. So we are clear with this. Very good, Abhijit. Yes. Menstrual cycle we'll discuss in a bit. Abhi nahi, thoda time mein. So everyone, this is how you can write the answer. 5 marks question. Looks a very hefty question, but it's a very easy question, right? Very important one thing, everyone. 5 marks के जितने भी questions आते हैं ना, easy होते हैं. उनमें बहुत सारे सब पार्ट्स होंगे तो यू हैव एन अपॉर्चुनिटी कि आप मार्क्स गेन कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? तो प्लीज मेक श्योर कि आप यू आर रीडिंग द क्वेश्चन, स्पेशली 5 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन थॉरली एंड देन यू आर राइटिंग द आंसर. तो ओवरीज, ओविडक्ट एंड द यूट्रस का फंक्शन क्लियर एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव द फंक्शन ऑफ द प्लेसेंटा. ठीक है? यस, ठीक है. तारा. ओके? क्लियर एवरीवन? So now I'm actually offering you pizza. Yes, with lots and lots of cheese. Clear everyone? Yes, very good. I hope that it's clear. So we are done with question number 11. Now we are Abdul बच्चे, we usually have the classes in English. हिंदी में थोड़ा बहुत explain कर सकते हैं, ज़्यादा नहीं. Okay, very good. I hope everyone you are having a good time and have a pizza. अगर इनको भूख लग रही है, let's move ahead to question number 12. Tomatoes, हाँ मैं tomatoes ऐड करती हूँ. Next question पे ऐड कर दूंगी पिज्जा में. Okay? Name the process by which amoeba reproduce. I told कि बहुत difficult questions होंगे. I don't know why these questions are really very easy. Then you have to draw the diagram of the various stages in the proper sequence. Such an easy question, right? Yes, very good. The process is binary fission. Easiest process to remember. So binary fission is a type of asexual reproduction in which we see that one organism will give rise to the 2 daughter cells and they'll be identical to the parent, right? And especially in amoeba, it's a question that we are all very familiar with. So of course we have the parent amoeba first, then we'll see the preparation of the division. The nucleus first of course will get divided, then the cytoplasm will divide and at the end we'll have the daughter cells. Clear? Remember to draw this in the examination. It's a very easy thing to draw also. So it's a easy peasy for you. 3 marks question and 3 marks in your pocket. Clear? Yes? Now I think we'll have the momos. Yes everyone? Clear? It's a very easy question. Yes, with chutney also. So Shiva sir is saying that ma'am, chutney is missing, red color spicy chutney. Okay, remember this everyone. See, I want you to remember these questions so that you can always relate when you have this question in the examination. I'm connecting something with the concept so that you remember कि हाँ ये तो था ही. Clear? चलिए. Let's look at the next question everyone. Question number 13. हाँ वैभव भी next वही बनेगा. आज बायो की किचन से, अंकिता मैम की किचन से will have that. Cool? Okay. Here we have a very easy question everyone. We have to describe the reproduction in spore in rhizopus. So we have to understand and we have to describe how the rhizopus is actually reproducing. Clear? Okay. Is it fragmentation? No, it's a spore formation, right? So we know that what happens in the spore formation. We have the hypha, right? And top of it we have the sporangium, right? We have the sporangium. So inside the sporangium we have various spores. Once this spore basically cannot hold, right? Sporangium cannot hold the spores, it will burst, releasing the spores, and these will get if they get a moist condition, right? They will develop into a new rhizopus or bread mold. So this thing over here is called as hyphae, and this over here is the sporangium. Are we clear, everyone? हाँ अद्वैत थोड़ी yes, very good. See, this is my drawing, and this is of course the good drawing that we have over here. Occurs in the rhizopus, again very important everyone, they can change the name, bread mold. And please, bread mold का spelling गलत मत लिखना, it's ULD, it's not MOLD, it's not mold, okay, it's mold, it's U over here. Nilima, I will explain bache, again I'll explain. So we know that in rhizopus, it's a fungi. What is it? We know that it is a fungi. So in that, what it has two parts, right? It has the hypha. Yes, Ishika over here bache, right? Basically it has the hypha which will basically a filament, a thread-like structure that will be holding the sporangium, okay? See over here, can you see this? This is the hyphae. And they have small, very little roots kind of these, right? Very small roots. We'll not call them as roots also. Rhizoids basically sometime. Yes? So what will happen? We have these, right? In the spores. And once these sporangium will burst, we'll be releasing these spores. And when it gets the moist surface, it will develop into a new organism. Are we clear? Very good, Jay. What do you think? Self-fertilization हो रही है क्या rhizopus में? So what is happening inside it? Basically the cells are getting divided, right? And we see the spore formation, fungi mein. Clear? Krishna, are we clear, bache? Cells are dividing. Very good, very good. Clear? So remember these points about the spore formation. A 3 marks question for sure. So again it will die, right? Basically, again it's a very important thing. See, aapke ghar mein fungus hai, I'm sure you would have seen. If you keep a bread, it will be there up till unless they have a very apt condition, right? And once they don't have the apt condition, they'll die. Yes. I'll answer that question. I will answer that question. Yes, very good, very good. Okay, we have that Ishika in the plants, right? Everyone do take a screenshot of this. Over here it's mentioned 5 marks, but it can come for 3 marks also. So take a screenshot, everyone. Yes. Astha. So mycelium basically is nothing but the thread work of hyphae when they are all together. And result of the very small, very primitive root-like structures that we have. No, sporangia contains the spores, bache. Nilima, it contains the spore. So rhizopus over here is a fungi. Clear? So majority when we talk about, right, how the fungi reproduce by the spore formation. And over here we're talking about an example which is the rhizopus. Dhanyad, do spores contain genetic material? What do you think? They are the cells, right? And cells have genetic information. Very good everyone. Okay, question number 14 everyone on your screen. I will tell. Okay, very interesting question everyone. I'll answer your question, Mathematical Cafe. Just give me some time, we will. Krishna, we should be writing all the answers in the points. Bye Bhavish, all the best for your exam. Yes Krishna. Always in points, always in points. Okay. Question number 14, everyone, came in the 2013 paper, a little long back, but let's see the question. Write 2 examples of the sexually transmitted diseases caused by virus and by the bacteria. Explain how the transmission of such diseases be prevented. Easy peasy, right? Virus ka, the disease which is caused by the virus or sexually transmitted disease is AIDS. And of course, in the bacteria we have syphilis, right? We have gonorrhea, and yeah, you all are writing it. So any two, right? Any of these you can write. Why? Explain how the transmission of such diseases can be prevented. We can easily prevent the transmission of these sexually transmitted diseases by using the barrier method, the barrier or the physical method, right? You can mention that we should be avoiding the exchange of the bodily fluid in between the two individuals. So here we have, everyone, clearly mentioning the name, right? Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome and gonorrhea and the syphilis. Any two, you can mention that. What are the preventive measure? Educating the people about it, right? Educating people, mutually being faithful in one particular relationship, not having multiple partners, then avoiding the multi-partners, right? And of course, using of the condoms. Very good. It's very easy peasy for us to understand and to write the answer. Okay? Yes. These are the preventive methods. Of course, we can add the use of the contraceptive methods also, the barrier methods or the physical methods that we have. Yes. Now I hope it's clear. Screen is not blurred. It's okay to me. Just refresh your question. Sorry, just refresh your page, not the question. I'm sorry. Hi everyone. So it's a Kaju Katli question. Clear? Kaju Katli question. Yes, you can have your chapter 4. They're asking for that. Yes. Ridha, I'm not sure what are you asking, but can you specify it again? Okay. Yes, Abdul, please ask your question. Clear, everyone, right? Come on, come on. Are we clear? Few more questions, everyone. We are doing amazingly well. And I hope that all of you have hit the like button for the video. Yes? Chaliye. Question number 15, everyone. Question number 15. Name the part A in the diagram, okay? How does A reaches part B? State the importance of part C and what happens to the part D after the fertilization. Can I tell you which question this is? Yes, this question is nothing but a very, very famous noodle question. I will not be able to take the name of the noodles, but yeah, we all love yellow color noodles, right? Yes, very good, everyone. I can see the answers already. Yes. Very good, very good. Yes. Okay, let's see, everyone. So, we have to mark the part A in the diagram. What is part A? It's a pollen grain, right? We can see that it's a pollen grain. Yes. Then we have the B part, which is stigma. Yes. C part is pollen tube. Right? It's not the style, it's a pollen tube. Right? And then we have the D part, which is the egg. So here we have the diagram. So pollen grain, we have the stigma, we have the pollen tube, then we have the sperm nuclei. Basically they are focusing over there, right? But again, let's be very specific, everyone. What the question is actually asking us, let's just see it again. This can be the one that they're looking for, okay? Yes, very good, everyone. So here you can write the answers right like this. It's very easy, nothing to be worried about. You just have to label the diagram. They're not asking you to write. So again, I hope that all of you have enjoyed this. Right? Yummy, yummy noodles. Very short minute mein we have these noodles. Very, very easy question it was, right? Ishika will write eggs. They have not specified, so we'll not be going into the details of it. Yes. Right, everyone? I hope that, I think many of you are asking for these and we have this. See again, yes, Rabia, so what I think, what is in the particular question that we have over here, there's a little bit confusion, right? So they have not marked it properly. I think if you look at the labels, it's more towards the pollen tube than the stigma. Okay? Very good. Can I tell you one thing? Can I tell you everyone one thing in such questions? Just in case, this is very important everyone. Sometime what happens in the diagram that you might get in your examination, आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. You might be getting confused with two terms. The easiest thing from our side, you can write both. Yes, Aroma, sorry, Rabia, you can write both. Clear? Look at the arrow where it is mentioning, right? And then write both. Clear? So what will happen in the examination, that's I have checked the paper so I know it. What happens if there is a right answer, right? We will give you the marks. Done? Yes. Okay? Yes, everyone. Let's move back. I hope that you've enjoyed the noodles. Triple fusion. So let's just quickly talk about the double fertilization over here. I think few of you have doubt in the double fertilization. So what is double fertilization? First time we'll see the fertilization of the egg with the pollen, right? With the basically with the male gamete. There are two gametes, right? Polar nuclei which are coming, sperm nuclei. So first is the syngamy, right? Or the fertilization that we say. Right? Then of course the other gamete that is there, that will go and fuse with the polar nuclei. So we have one nuclei over here, we have two nuclei over here, that is called as triple fusion. Are we clear? And as there are two-time fertilization happening, we call it as the double fertilization. Are we clear? Yes. Are we clear? Are we clear? Yes. Ayush, so basically it means that basically it is definitely a very important method that we have. It withdrawing before the releasing of the sperms. Okay? So you can note down that. Polar nuclei means, Nilima, so polar nuclei are present in the, basically in the ovule, right, that we have. So it has cells basically, right, in the ovary when we talk about. We have the number of cells. Clear? Yes? So first, of course, there will be the fusion with this. What are we left with? Of course, we have in between, we have a cell. Okay? That has two nuclei. Clear, everyone? Are we clear with this? Pen stand for, you only tell me everyone, pen stand for, right? It has to do something with the endosperm. Tell me everyone, quickly tell me. Yes, yes, yes. Ishika, there are type of cells that are present. Yes, are we clear? Very good. Okay, so this is how everyone you can write the answers. Yes, very good Ashwini. Primary endosperm nuclei. Very good. So over here, Ashwini have shared with us. No, triple fusion and double fusion are not same. They just very good. So triple fusion is a part of double fertilization. Okay? Double fertilization means that the fertilization happening two times. Very good, Abdulya. Thank you so much for reminding me. Thank you. So, primary endosperm nuclei is, of course, we have the two nucleus that we have, right? And they are the one that will be providing the nourishment to the developing part. Especially after the fertilization process, we'll know that the seed will develop, the fruit will develop. So, of course, they're providing the nourishment to it. Formation of a zygote, Krishna abhi discuss kara. Right, so what will happen? We as of course the sperm nuclei, right, the male gamete will fuse with the egg, will have the zygote formation, and the zygote eventually will develop. Clear? That is called a syngamy. Yes, very good everyone. Come on, come on. I hope that your energy is really very high. Yes, in a chat everyone. Let me see how many of you are here in the class. See, I'm answering all of your doubts. That doesn't mean that we will be getting lost. All of you back on track. It's okay, Mishba. You can watch the session again. Yes, come on. Thumbs up. Come on, come on. Yes, it is important, Aisha, because it provides the nutrition. Basically, all the nutrition that are developing seed of basically developing plant that we'll be having right from the seed will require right that nourishment that comes. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, here we go to question number 16, everyone. Now, this is a very easy question. The chromosomal number of a sexually producing parents and their offspring is the same. Justify this statement. Right? Quickly, everyone, the chromosome number that we have in us is very much same to as of our parent. Why? Yes, Aisha, it is important. I have just mentioned. Right? Tell me, everyone, why? Why it is important? We have to justify it. All India. Sharvari, all India. Yes, absolutely correct. So we know that in the humans, right, during the sexual reproduction, there's involvement of the two parents, right? In males, there's a production of the sperm, and in the female, there's a ovum. Both of these cells have 23 chromosomes each. Right? Both of these parents have the 23 chromosome, right? And after the fertilization, the chromosome number will be equal, right? Yes, we know that in the fertilization process, we will see the mixing of the genetic material, and at the end we will have the 46 chromosome. Right? So, equal number of chromosomes are coming from both the mother and both the father. Right? And that's how we have the 46 number of chromosome. Are we clear? Yes? So, it's a very easy question, I would say. The only difficulty for us is to figure out how we are writing this question. First, of course, two gametes are there. They combine and form the zygote. Reproductive cells contain half the amount of DNA. Right? It just contains 23 only. 23 in the male, 23. Right? And of course, they're not the pairs altogether. Very good, everyone. Right? So, we have the 23 chromosome, and that makes 46. If you write this, right, 23 plus 23 is equal to 46. Done, you will get the marks, but of course you have to explain a little bit. Clear? Yes, very good, bright spot. Very good, Sanjana. Yes, Rabia. Yoga benefit, I'll answer that later. Hi, hello, hello, Hema. Hi, Ritika. All the best. Mishba, yes. So you see, this is how we can elaborate. See, in the last part, they have mentioned. We will see the combining of the gametes. This gamete has 23 chromosomes. This gamete has a 23 chromosomes. So after the fertilization, the number of chromosomes will be 46. Okay? Yes, Jay. Different organisms have different number of chromosomes. Very good. Yes. Hello, Swayam. Okay, everyone. Are we clear with this question? So Ishika, you can mention more about it, right? See, we have a similar question in the heredity part also. You can make the chart also if you want to. You can make X and X, X and Y. You can write the number of chromosome and then you can show this. Okay? So everyone, it was a Kaju Katli question and here we are done. Okay. Let's talk about this, everyone. A small little break over here, right? So the next quiz that we have it on 22nd of January. So please make sure you are sending your registration. The registration link is in the description box. Click on that, send your entries. Okay, nothing much you have to do. You can actually meet your teachers here. So please make sure you are registering for it. Okay, everyone. Question number 17. Hello, hello. Ma'am, what is a CGPA? Okay, it's a very long thing for I have to explain you. But basically, it's a cumulative percentage that we get. As of now, we'll just discuss up to here. Okay, it's okay. Mishba, we have the sessions done on the channel. Please go and watch them. As of now, blue pen. Black pen is also not allowed. Okay, everyone. Question number 17. CBSE paper 2020. Write one difference between the asexual and the sexual mode of reproduction. Which species is likely to have comparatively better chance of survival? The one which is reproducing asexually or one which is reproducing sexually? Give reason to justify your answer. Easy peasy question, everyone. Yes? Everyone, are we clear? Come on, come on. I want to see the some Josh in chat. ऐसा लग रहा है बच्चे सो गए. जल्दी से. कोई सोया तो नहीं है? I know that you're tired. It's been a long day. I understand. Right? Not sure, Kamlesh. Nice, yeah. Nice, 3 marks question आया था. Very good, very good. So here everyone, it's a very easy question. First we have to differentiate between asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. So we know that in asexual reproduction only one single parent is involved. Gametes are not formed, gametes are not involved. Variation is not observed. Then in sexual reproduction 2 parents are involved, gametes are involved and variation is observed. So we are clear with the difference. Then of course, what we have over here, right, what we have over here is that sexual reproduction has a better chances of survival because it leads to variation and it's actually help in the better adaptability and it actually increases the survival rate of the individual. So sexual reproduction is definitely has a better chance of survival than the asexual reproduction. ठीक है? Yes. I know Navneet, we will be ending. We are on question number 17. We have 3 more questions. 18, 19, 20. We'll finish it really very quickly. Okay? Yes. Okay, everyone. So are we clear with this question? First, of course, you have to write the difference between asexual and the sexual reproduction. And then you have to mention why the sexual reproduction has a better chances of the survival. Clear? Mishma, we have just discussed बच्चे sexual reproductive advantage ये हैं. Basically, it actually leads to the variation, better adaptability, and help in the continuity of the species also. Okay, help in the continuity of the species. Okay. Question number 18, everyone. Jaldi se, let's finish this off. Draw a sectional view of human female reproductive system and label a part where the eggs are developed, right over here. So we have these all part, we have this. Acha, eggs are developed where, can you tell me? If you have to draw this, where the eggs are developing in the female reproductive system? Yes, it's developed in the ovary, very good. Fertilization takes place in fallopian tube or oviduct. Fertilization, egg get implanted in the uterus, very good. Describe in brief the changes that the uterus undergo to receive the zygote and if the fertilization, if zygote is not formed. So here we have everyone, this, you can easily draw this female reproductive system. Next part talk about that what happens, right? So we have over here what? We know that the ovary will be releasing the egg. See over here, the ovary is releasing the egg, right? Fallopian tube will receive it. And what will happen? The fertilization will take place in the fallopian tube, right? Fallopian tube. It will take place in the fallopian tube. Once if the fertilization is done, we'll see the continuation of the pregnancy, right? And the walls of the endometrium will increase, right? If the zygote is not formed, what will happen? We will see that, what will happen, of course, the shedding of the blood lining will occur. The endometrium walls of the uterus, which is the inner lining, which are nothing but the blood lining, will actually shed them along with the egg. And of course, we call it as the menstrual cycle in the female. Now, I think many of you are having a doubt about the menstrual cycle, right? So, we know that every month, right? Every month, a female will be releasing 1 egg. Okay, there are 2 chances. First, of course, fertilization can happen or no fertilization. If fertilization happen, we know that the uterus will, the uterus will provide more nutrition, we'll see the formation of placenta and of course the fetus will grow. Agar implantation nahi hoti hai, if there is no fertilization, right, egg and sperm fuse nahi kar rahe hain, तो what will happen? Fertilization nahi hui. Fertilization nahi hui तो क्या होगा? जो egg है, which is there in the uterus, or यूट्रस में ब्लड लाइनिंग रहेगी. Every month it develops, right? अगर fertilization नहीं हुई तो after the time is complete 28 days, what will happen? These will shed, and we call it as the menstrual cycle. Are we clear, everyone? Yes, you can have the diagram of the female reproductive system or male reproductive system. Draw करने के लिए I'm not sure. Now I think they have stopped asking you to draw the diagram. They'll just show you the diagram and ask you to label it. Okay? Yes. Gurujot, yes, blood lining actually provides the nutrition to the egg. Absolutely correct. Everyone, are we clear with this? Are we clear? Come on. Yes, are we clear with this? Those of you who have doubt in the menstrual cycle, I hope that this is clear. Yes, you should practice the diagram for sure. Yes, you should. Yes, we have the question. Here we have the question, bache. Crystal clear, right? Very good. Here are the questions. No, Ishika, blood lining means placenta nahi hai. So blood lining, if you see over here, can you see this is the blood lining? Okay? And jab fetus is developing, right? When the fetus is developing, then we'll have the formation of the placenta. Okay? It will be happening on the uterus only, but of course, it's a different organ which is formed. Okay, Ishika, I hope that you are clear. Devshri, bache, we did the control and coordination in 45 minutes last week. हाँ, क्लास खत्म होने वाली थोड़ी देर में. Okay. So everyone, this is how you can write the answer. Take a screenshot, everyone. I'll move aside. Take a screenshot. Harsh, so प्लेसेंटा प्रोवाइड करता है, ठीक है, प्लेसेंटा प्रोवाइड कर रहा है इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूट्रिएंट. ब्लड लाइनिंग बेसिकली है वहां पे जो एग की इम्प्लांटेशन में हेल्प करती है. नीलिमा, इट इज देयर टू सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड द इनिशियल न्यूट्रिएंट, और उसी में बेसिकली धीरे धीरे हमें प्लेसेंटा डेवलप होगा. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 एवरीवन. Two more questions left. Here we go. It came in CBSE 2019. What are STDs? List 2 viral. Oh, this is easy. What are contraception? List 3 any reason for the contraceptive. Achha, very similar question, everyone. Badhiya, everyone. I hope that all of you have hit the like button. 120 likes होगा, थोड़ा सा और चाहिए होंगे likes, right? Everyone, if you're new here, please hit the like button. Yes, very good, very good. Yes. Jaldi se everyone, I hope that all of you have hit the like button. Chaliye. It's a very easy question. We have just had discussed a kind of repeated but not exactly the same. Yes, it's like the repeated question, yeah. So here we have the answer. So we know that how we can avoid it. The reason of the contraception is to definitely to prevent the unwanted pregnancy, help in the family planning, help in the health of the mother, and of course help in the prevention of the STDs. Yes. Okay, very easy peasy, everyone. So yeah, here we have for a 5 marks question a very lengthy description. Take a screenshot and I'll move ahead. Last question, everyone. Then we'll have the last question. Bhadiya. So Sompalia, agar placenta mein if there is any changes that can affect the health of the growing fetus. The easy thing, right? That can definitely happen. Okay. Last question, everyone. Question number 20 came in the year 2018. Acha, this is very easy. Oh, this is again a repetitive question, everyone. I think a little bit of this happened, right? It's a repetitive question. List the techniques. We have it, right? So we already have a discussion that, we have all of these techniques, right? And of course, the copper T cannot be used by the male. Right, copper T cannot be used by the male, and same goes for the hormonal pills, right? Why the reasons of the adapting any contraceptive methods is over here. Easy question. We have covered everything, right? We have covered everything in this particular chapter. Vivek. So of course a very good thing. So we have to list the 3 techniques. right, that are there that can actually help in preventing the STDs or the pregnancies. STDs के लिए we have the barrier method. To prevent the pregnancy, we have barrier method, use of condoms, diaphragm. Then we have the use of intrauterine device, जिसमें copper T आता है. Copper T can be placed in the uterus of the female, and that will be helping in avoiding the pregnancy. फिर आता है hormonal pills, hormonal methods. Right, these are oral pills taken by the women, and of course it will be changing the hormone level in the body. Again, will be preventing the pregnancy. Then we have the surgical method, which is a very last and extreme method, where we'll see the cutting and tying of the fallopian tube, which is called as tubectomy. Vas deferens in male, which is called as vasectomy. Okay. In males, will not be able to use the intrauterine device, and of course we have the reason for the contraception. Help in the prevention of the unwanted pregnancy, family planning, maternal health, and the prevention of the STDs. Okay? Clear? What induces the formation of male and female gamete in a bud? I didn't get this part. In bud, where are you talking about? Thank you, Abdul. Thank you so much. Yes, everyone? Can you just frame your question again? Haan. So this is, now I'll answer your doubts, right? DNA replication is important because DNA, when it replicates, right, it'll make basically the exact copy of itself, right? So if of course if we have a cell, right, it's making a replication, same copy, it'll actually help in carrying the same genes. It's very important. Yes, everyone, I hope that. Okay, Dhanenda Bache, can you rephrase it out? You're talking about the bud in a flower. What induces formation? Or are you talking about in the humans? Next session we will have of heredity and evolution. Thank you so much, Gurjot. Yes. Next session next week, 27 December, everyone. 22nd December, 27 December, we have a bio marathon. So get ready. If you haven't subscribed, everyone, do subscribe. Community post pay, we have the plan for the next week. So go and check it out. Thank you. Fertilization is nothing but the fusion of male and female gamete. Regeneration and fragmentation. Regeneration is both of these are a type of asexual reproduction. Regeneration is not a primary method. Fragmentation is. You can write the examples, Planaria and Spirogera. Regeneration means no new organism is formed. From the cut part, the remaining part will regenerate. Fragmentation, we have the formation of a new organism. You can try trendy cuisine. It can come, not very 100% sure, very rarely it will come. हाँ, अगर DNA copy में error आता तो of course the individual will have genetic disorders. Okay? कमलेश, अगर DNA copying में जरा सा भी कुछ changes है तो of course the जो next generation है, right, they'll have genetic disorders. Yes, thank you so much. Study, you have to practice बच्चे. Diagram की practice करनी पड़ेगी, right, and then you will be able to draw it. Everyone, are we clear? So everyone, I hope that you have enjoyed the session. DNA का diagram नहीं आएगा, DNA का diagram नहीं आएगा, right? I hope that everyone you have enjoyed the session. We have a playlist for each one of you right over here. Have covered all the chapters and all the topics. Please make sure to go and check it out. सारे topics हैं जो हमने पढ़े हैं, आपके exams के लिए important हैं. आराम से देखो, 2x speed पे करके देखो, and you will be able to get everything. Yes? Clear? Everyone, I hope that all of you have hit the like button. किसने hit like button hit किया है? जल्दी से please make sure you're hitting the like button, right? And thank you so much, everyone. Write in the comment section and tell us how you felt about the session. It feels so good. It feels so good to read your comments. Nilima, about what you didn't understand about the reproductive system, बच्चे, can you repeat? क्या समझ में नहीं आया? Yes, Anshika. Thank you. हाँ, birding लिख सकते हो. And regeneration भी. You can write. Don't worry. Yes. Jennifer, you can write. हाँ, भरत हिस्ट्री के क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. हाँ, we will do it. Diamond clear है. Very good. Thank you so much, everyone. We are here for you. We always tell you we have got you covered, and that's just our way of telling you. We trust you, right? And we know that you're working really very hard. I know कि आप इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हो अपने बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन के लिए. हम बस आप अपनी तरफ से मेहनत करें ताकि आपके बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन अच्छे हो. Right? We are just trying really very hard to help you guys. We don't ask much for you. Just come to the class regularly, pay attention in the class, right? And subscribe to the channel. Regeneration is a type of asexual reproduction, right? Where if the organism is being cut accidentally by any accident, example we take of planaria, that will be actually growing, the planaria from the cut part will develop, right, the part which is being missing. Specialized cells हैं और वो develop हो जाएगा. Yes, I'm not sure Bharat, maybe next week, or if not next week, then the first week of January. Okay. Bye bye everyone. Right, so please make sure everyone to hit the like button. Share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Yes, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. It means a lot when you subscribe. Okay? If you have any doubts, please write your doubts in the comment section below. हम उनको answer करेंगे. And thank you so much everyone for studying with us. Yes, lots of love. I can see fragmentation क्या होता है? Fragmentation basically it's a type of the asexual reproduction. Happens in the Spirogyra where the fragments, where the organism will just break, right, in the small fragments, and each fragment will develop into a new individual. Clear? Kamlesh ने पूछा था. Yes. Okay everyone, lots of love to each one of you. Keep yourself safe and healthy. We'll be meeting tomorrow again. Take care of yourself and lots of love and keep on learning with Byju's. Bye bye.